Hello students, welcome to EduCraft Academy. This video is for 9th ICSE Biology and today we'll study about branches of biology on the basis of groups of organisms. Branches of biology on the basis of groups of organisms. जैसे कि group of plants, group of animals, group of insects, group of fungi, group of algae. What is this group called as? Okay, see, first is botany. Botany is study of plants. The term botany means plants, so botany is study of plants. Then zoology. Zoology is study of animals. The term zoo or zoon, it means animals. Then anthropology. Anthropology is the study of humans and human society. The study of humans and human society is called as anthropology. Then bacteriology. Bacteriology is the study of bacteria. जो bacteria है जैसे कि Salmonella typhi, Salmonella paratyphi, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium leprae, ये सभी जो बैक्टीरियाज हैं बैक्टीरियाज के ग्रुप को कहा जाता है बैक्टीरियोलॉजी. देन वायरोलॉजी. Virology is the study of virus. Martinius Beijerinck is father of virology. Father is Martinius Beijerinck is father of virology. Then mycology. Mycology study of fungi. The term myco. Myco means fungi. The term myco is for fungi. You know, there is one more term that is myo. There is one more term that is myo. Term myo is for muscles. The term myo is for muscles. Myco is for fungus. So mycology, study of fungus. Then phycology. Phycology, study of algae. Phycology, study of algae. Term phyco is for algae. Term phyco is for algae. Term phyco is for algae. Then entomology, study of insects. Entomology, study of insects. The term entomo is for insects. The term entomo is for insects. You know entomophily. I think you know about entomophily, right? Entomophily. What is entomophily? See, the term entomo is for insects. The term phily is for pollination. Term phily is for pollination. So, entomophily is pollination by insects. Pollination by insects is entomophily. Then you know about ornithophily. You know about ornithophily. See, the term ornitho is for birds. Term ornitho is for birds. Phily is for pollination. So ornithophily will be pollination by birds. Pollination by birds. You know, then there is malacophily. See, the term malaco is for snails. The term malaco is for snails. Then term phily is for pollination. So malacophily will be pollination by snails. Okay. Now, entomo. Term entomo is for insects. Ichthyology. The term ichthyo is for fishes. The term ichthyo is for fishes. You know, there are two types of fishes. One is chondrichthyes. Second is osteichthyes. See, the term chondro is for cartilage. term chondro means cartilage, ichthyo means fish, so chondric thighs are cartilaginous fishes. Then ostrich thighs, you know the term osteo, the term osteo is for bones, the term osteo is for bones, ichthyo is for fish, so ostrich thighs will be bony fishes. Ostrich thighs is bony fishes. Chondric thighs is cartilaginous fishes. Ichthyo term is for fishes. Ichthyology will be study of fishes. As term logy means study, ichthyo means fish. Herpetology, study of reptiles. Study of reptiles. This herpeto term is for reptiles. So herpetology is study of lizards, snakes, reptiles is herpetology. Then ornithology. The term ornitho is for birds. The term ornitho is for birds, so ornithology, study of birds. Then microbiology. See, micro means micro, very small. Bio, living organisms, so we tell them microorganisms. Logy means study, so microbiology will be study of microorganisms. Microbiology will be study of microorganisms. Branch of biology concerned with study of microorganisms. Microorganisms की स्टडी हो जाती है माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स की स्टडी माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. माइक्रोबायोलॉजी कौन से होते हैं माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स? बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, फंगाई, हेलमेंट्स, प्रोटोजोआ, ऑल दीज आर माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स और इनकी स्टडी माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. एंटोनी वैन ल्यूवेनहॉक इज फादर ऑफ माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. ही इज फादर ऑफ माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. आई थिंक इतनी क्लासेस आपको इनके वर्ड्स के मीनिंग समझ आ गए होंगे, राइट? हम एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. बॉटनी, प्लांट्स, zoology, animals, anthropology, study of humans and human society, bacteriology, बैक्टीरिया की स्टडी, वायरोलॉजी, वायरस की स्टडी, माइकोलॉजी, फंगस की स्टडी, फाइकोलॉजी, आल्गी की स्टडी, एंटोमोलॉजी, इंसेक्ट्स की स्टडी, इक्थियोलॉजी, फिशेस की स्टडी, हर्पिटोलॉजी, रेप्टाइल्स की स्टडी, ऑर्निथोलॉजी, बर्ड्स की स्टडी, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स की स्टडी. ओके, थैंक यू.